Hello, the subject is marketing management. The topic is consumer behavior and CRM. Consumer behavior and CRM go hand in hand. Always, customer relationship management or CRM has a favorable impact on consumer behavior. Consumer behavior gets affected in a better way, helping the company and the organization. CRM is always focused on increasing or bettering the consumer behavior and to some extent understanding their behavior and redesign and reorganize their marketing so that the company gets benefited. CRM and consumer behavior are two tracks of business success. If the organization has to enjoy the benefit of profitability and more sales, and such goals can be achieved only because of the CRM and their consumer behavior. CRM, customer relationship management, is primarily important to influence and enhance the behavior of consumer altogether. One of the primary benefits delivered by CRM is the ability to influence customer behavior. This is seen in measurable results for increased customer acquisition, improved customer satisfaction, sustained customer retention, enhanced service quality, and heightened customer loyalty, all because of CRM. This can be seen in consumer behavior and their decision making process. Once Omogu Akiemi Paul and Audrey Frank Slang said, a qualitative study verifying the research constructs relating to CRM systems, benefits, and consumer buying behavior variables. They have quoted saying that consumer behavior is always benefited based on the CRM systems that exist in the organization through their research study. But this to happen, this consumer behavior to get benefited, the company has to integrate and the company has to have extension research. They should have various kind of studies already being done in the company. Interaction will act as a positive enhancement for all of the CRM benefits that affect customer behavior. One of the primary benefits delivered by CRM is that customer behavior is impacted positively for the company. But this positive impact will be possible only because of integration that would be possible in the company. The integration will act as a positive enhancement for all the CRM benefits that affect customer behavior. And CRM benefits the effect on customer behavior in the following manner. It affects the customer acquisition rates. It affects improved customer satisfaction. It helps in sustained customer retention. It enhances service quality and it puts heightened customer loyalty. Let us see one by one how these affect customer behavior or what is the effect on customer behavior by CRM. Customer acquisition rate. This is getting the customer towards a company. Improved integration will enhance the CRM benefit that result in increased customer acquisition rates. Enterprise Resource Planning System address book information and CRM lead. Account and contact information are digital representations of the same or similar concepts. Because enterprise resource planning and CRM systems are not planned to work together top-down. A generic problem lies in matching semantically equivalent but differently named parts from different schemas, that is, the data models, tables, and attributes. So, CRM which has the data and CRM which has the data related to the leads, it entirely focuses on acquiring and acquisition of customers to a larger extent when compared to the normal or the traditional way of getting a customer into the company and getting a customer into the process. Once the customers are acquired more, the next benefit is improved customer satisfaction. The CRM, that is customer relationship management, delivers best and excellent services to the customers, and they have experienced the world-class service that they dream of. Hence, the customers are of higher level satisfaction. Measurement of customer satisfaction may depend on information about product purchase histories, which are typically contained authoritatively in the employees of marketing department and ERP system, that is the match to survey feedback data, which is more likely stored in CRM tables, and in enhancements or extensions to the CRM tables. Improved satisfaction is always seen through the ERP system that is available in the company in the process of CRM. CRM has positive impact on the satisfaction, which is traditionally not found though given, because there is no valid data that would prove that the customers have been satisfied. But CRM gives a chance for the organization and the marketing department to study what is the level of satisfaction compared to the past satisfaction levels. The next effect on consumer behavior and CRM is that the customers, because of their satisfaction, they are tend and they render a quality called a sustained customer retention. The people who became customers of the company and who got better satisfied with their needs being met, with their demands being satisfied, this customers are better retained with the company. This CRM focuses on retention level to the highest possible, and this information regarding repeat purchases, warranty renewals, and similar information indicative of customer retention is also recorded in enterprise resource planning system transactions. The CRM system will need to access this information to record information regarding customer retention and to subsequently conduct marketing analytics that analyze customer retention. Overall, CRM systems to the highest possible level try to have sustained customer retention because of their functioning and because of their progress in the organization. Why do the customers stay with the company? The reason for that is the enhanced service quality, and this enhancement in service quality is all because of CRM and the type of CRM system that persists and that works in that particular organization. CRM systems have a better feedback loop which helps assess service quality delivered by the service agents that utilize the CRM system and any of its service add-ons. Nevertheless, ERP systems may include relevant data such as part orders, back orders, service usage data, and other dimensions of the overall customer experience as it relates to service quality. Hence, the CRM and its activities always try to enhance the service quality that is being delivered as per the need and requirement of the customer, and because of which he is always promised or focused to get the better service compared to all other organizations, all because of one thing known as CRM. And this CRM of enhanced service quality better gives service quality of the best possible manner that pushes him to the next level of effect known as heightened customer loyalty. The CRM affects the loyalty of the customer. The customer thus who was very far away got acquired by the company and its product, and he once he became the customer of the particular product of that organization, he got maximum satisfaction because of the highest service quality, and due to this highest service quality the customer got fully satisfied, and the CRM focused on the retention ratio, and these customers were retained in the company's sales process, and thus all because of getting the best service quality and the best product in the market, the customer is going to lend loyalty to the company. Customer loyalty is more elusive measure than hard factual information such as revenue. How this loyalty is measured is there is something called as NPS, that is Net Promoter Score, and other measures have emerged. CRM's ability to improve NPS and customer loyalty is in part due to the effectiveness of the sales, service, and marketing organization and their ability to contribute to the overall customer experience. A complete 360-degree view of the customer is essential and is possible in knowing the customer and building loyalty. The ability of CRM systems to influence the behavior of customers are successful and prospects in reflected many of the most important and key CRM metrics. Integrate the ERP, that is Enterprise Resource Planning, and other enterprise systems with CRM to ensure and enhance the best CRM experience and results. And this integration really has the positive and beneficial effect on the consumer behavior towards the company and its products or services. With best feedback system available, consumer behavior always tends to bend towards the company and its product, all because of CRM systems. At this stage, it is important to expedite the process of integrating advanced customer behavior analysis, which is always carried out, and it has to be integrated with CRM for the following reasons. Why there is a need for customer behavior analysis to integrate with CRM is for the following reasons, and if integrated, the company would get benefited, and that would give the better answers for the relationship between consumer behavior and CRM as a whole system of success. Now let us see one by one what are the reasons for integrating customer behavior with CRM. Segment customers base accurately based on their behavior. Identify what motivates individuals and how you can fill their needs. Launch campaigns based on data that matters. Provide value to customers based on insights drawn. make accurate predictions and track performance are the reasons why there has to be integration with consumer or customer behavior and CRM. I will see one by one in detail. First being segment the customer base accurately based on their behavior. Segmenting individuals based on their demographic variables will help the organization only till a certain point. People are individuals and they all think and behave differently. Segmenting customers based on their real life and online behavior will help to create more accurate groups to whom you can disseminate tailor-made marketing and sales campaigns. After customer behavior is the single most important variable when it comes to predicting customer retention. Hence, segmenting the market is a primary concept in having positive impact on the consumer behavior through CRM. The next reason is identify what motivates individuals and how you can fulfill their needs. It simply isn't enough to understand the market and industry trends. Businesses need to dive into customers' unconscious needs and motivations. Psychological insight can be drawn when we analyze customers' conversation, interactions, and behavior in real world and on social media as well. Natural language processing and textual analysis are two ways where an organization can identify what motivates individuals and create buyer personas that are solid, which can be a cue for the organization to decide what best will suit the customer in the market. There are various theories of motivation that can be studied for better understanding, and there can be surveys that will give or inform the organization about what is the motivation factor of the individuals and how those factors can be fulfilled. The third reason for integration would be to launch campaigns based on the data that matters. The campaign should not be designed in such a way that it is matching the company and its resources. The campaign should match what really matters. It should be based on the data that is being collected. It should be on the information that would require worth attention. Data is useless if it is not relevant, and the most relevant data set for marketers is customer behavior. Customer behavior analysis is also important for support teams' success. Behavioral data is usually qualitative, but advanced tools can convert minute behavioral nuances into numbers, rendering them in a quantified manner. This helps the organization to put a number to each relevant customer behavior and analyze the situation accurately. Based on quantified behavioral data, the organization can launch marketing and sales campaigns that actually work. When the data is used in a quantifiable manner than only on the basis of quality, the organization can launch the best possible campaigns that suit the market and that will help or induce more sales and profit the company, thus showing the reason for CRM and consumer behavior integration. The next reason for integration would be provide value to customers based on insights drawn. A large number of customers feel they are not deriving value from the service or products they purchase. This is mostly because campaigns often do not understand what customers truly want and desire. The reason for the failure in this process is that customers are going in a way and the company is coming another way. There is no match that these two can meet and get benefited. The benefit should be for both. Customer behavior analysis helps the organization to draw rich insights based on various behavioral data, right from web usage to customer behavior during interaction with support teams. There is a wide variety of data available for businesses to analyze and draw insights from. These insights help the organization to bring value to customers, and ultimately, he becomes your customer. This is what will help you with customer retention. And the next reason for integration is make accurate predictions and track performance. One of the hallmark of human behavior is that it continuously keeps changing. Psychologists know that even personality, which is considered to be relatively stable, changes over a period of time. In addition, they also say that the campaigns are to match this persona of individuals keeps or has to keep on changing. A number of marketing and sales campaigns fail because they do not or they are not continuously tracked and measured. This is why continuously measuring, tracking, and analyzing customer behavior is very important for marketing and sales. As customer behavior can rapidly change, it is more important to not only measure and track campaigns, but also track and monitor customer behavior on which these campaigns are actually based. Customer behavior analysis is the basis on which marketing and sales campaign should be built upon. That would help to have feasible benefit from consumer behavior and CRM integration. Thus, the organization should be able to make accurate predictions and it should always track in what way the performance is on in the organization in concern with marketing and their customers. Thus, CRM has a favorable impact on consumer behavior. CRM system focuses on getting the right kind of information at right time and design the right kind of product or service or interaction so that it will match the consumer behavior and it would match the consumer need or wants. Thus, it would benefit both the consumer as well as the CRM at the end of the day. Thus, consumer behavior and CRM are both important for the organization's success and for the survival of organization. Thus, consumer behavior and CRM. Thanks for listening.